back to my channel. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Alright, so obviously we have a guest in today's video. For those who don't know, this is Adam, my husband of 1 year. Boyfriend of 4 years though. Yeah, so you guys, like, whenever Adam comes to a video, you know it's about to go down. So in today's video, we're playing the Whisper Challenge, and that means that, no, I'm not explaining this right, but with the Whisper Challenge, what we'll be doing is we're going to be playing music very loud using headphones, and we're going to say things to each other, like, for demonstration, and the other person is going to try to guess what the other person is saying. So words are phrases, but the thing is, the person won't hear. And I'm just getting anxiety because he thinks I'm going to break his headphone. Like, I'm a klutz, the world knows that, but I won't break it anyway. Yeah, that is what we'll be doing. So I hope you guys find this fun. We have a total of 10 words each. Depending on how long this video is getting, then we'll cut it shorter. Alright, so without further ado, let us begin. Anyway guys, before we get into the video, of course we have to do our NATZNIFICENT fam shout out. So let us get straight into that right now. Biggest congratulations to the NATZNIFICENT fam commenter of the week. As usual, thanks for watching and commenting. Now guys, if you're wondering just how you can get a shout out, all you have to do is watch and leave a comment on this week's video. Also, for extra entries, all you have to do is share a screenshot of this week's video to your IG stories. Remember to tag me, and that is it. Now guys, back to the video. And welcome back, you guys. So let's begin the game. Who first is going? Rock, paper, scissors, Japanese style. In Japan, rock, paper, scissors for everything. Shai sure good. Janken pop. Janken.
Yeah. Alright, I'm up.
Alright, so I listen to the music. No, you listen to the music. You win. So you get to go first.
What does going first entail? Guessing or whispering?
Oh, whispering.
Okay.
So, alright, so what do I have to do to let these work?
Already
Give
paired.
me something on YouTube to listen to.
We should have predetermined this. Okay.
I don't want to listen to Naruto stupid music.
Naruto lo-fi beats.
Guys, like Naruto? Hell no.
Yeah. Naruto lo-fi beats. Sick. Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
44 minutes of painful nostalgia.
But you have to turn it up louder, because no, this won't do, because I'm hearing everything. It's too low. Like, you need something high beat. Because you have to talk to them. They have to hear the words.
Alright, how about,
can I choose my own song?
No, heavy metal music. This is 2 hours of heavy metal.
Oh, talk.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
No, we can't hear you. So remember, you have to tell them the words, right? Because I can't hear what you're saying. Alright.
I want pineapple juice. Okay?
This music is stupid.
I want pineapple juice. Okay, is that clear? Pineapple.
Why are you talking to them so much?
Alright, ready? I want pineapple juice.
What? What?
I want pineapple juice.
I want to go to the supermarket.
I want pineapple juice.
I want a bag juice.
I want pineapple juice.
I want a bad night's sleep.
far. Cold. I want pineapple juice.
I want a badminton.
Warmer.
One more try.
One more. I want pineapple juice.
I want a bag of sweets.
Yeah, that was a failure, but you did come close a few times.
What was it?
I want pineapple juice.
Oh crap.
Pineapple juice. At one point you said I want a bag juice, which was
Yeah.
pretty cool.
Because I saw juice at the end.
So how did you switch from juice
I don't know.
to a good night's sleep or something?
Alright, your turn.
This is dangerous.
Guys, can you hear how loud this thing is? Can they hear how loud? Like it's so loud.
Fairly insulated, so they might not hear.
Alright, my turn. Alright guys, so the word is kiss anime. Kiss anime. Like Adam posted this on his Facebook just a few days ago, so he should be able to know. It's very simple. Kiss anime. Let's go.
You said drift blim?
No. Wait.
I should be speaking with these on?
Yes.
Kiss me?
No, not kiss me. Close. They can't see you in the frame.
One more. I'm drinking cherry. Dragon Ball.
No. Last try.
Kiss anime.
Yes. He's right.
What do you know about Kiss anime?
Kiss anime. You posted it on Facebook some time ago.
Yeah, that's was like a very bandolo anime site that we used to use to stream anime. So you know, from the glory days of Shippuden. And anyway, let's not digress too much.
All right, my turn.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Let's take a picture. Let's take a picture. Ready? Let's take a picture.
Game is a bitch.
Let's take a picture.
The night is black. Pitch.
Let's take a picture.
What?
Let's take a picture.
Open your mouth, damn it.
Take a picture.
Like my picture.
Ooh, pretty close. Very close. Let's take a picture.
Liking is a picture. What the hell? Life is a bitch.
Ooh, life is not. Let's take a picture.
I don't know.
Let's take a picture.
Oh my god.
Let's take a picture.
I'm so dumb.
You're not done, you're deaf. Alright, so that's 1 for not.
How much words we gone? 2-2? 2-2. Okay. Alright, so next guys, my word is what you're doing. Can you guys, am I even for, yeah. So the next word is what you're doing. What you're doing, alright? Ready?
What's up?
No.
What are you doing?
No. I mean, I could give him that, but I'm not.
Come again. What you doing?
Guys, are goddamn easy.
Either you're a good lip speaker or I'm a good lip reader. Not sure, but someone is good at something. Okay, I'll make this one easier. Pass me the remote. Yeah, that's a very well used phrase or command.
Oh wait, the music
house.
stopped. Oh, it's starting now.
Okay, so pass me the remote. Pass me the remote. Ready? Pass me the remote.
Will Smith parody.
Pass me the remote. Is this not clear? Pass me the remote. That's clear, right? I think that's clear. Pass me the remote.
Something Smith the.
What is looking like Smith? Smith. Remote. Smith. Pass me the remote.
Bad Smith the power.
Pass me the remote.
The Rapungi. What?
Let's give up.
What?
Pass me the remote.
What?
Pass me the remote. Rapungi? What is that?
I don't know. Guys, I'm failing at this. Hold an headphone. Do not open your mouth when you talk.
I am.
Please open your mouth. Okay, go. This one, it's a long one, guys. It is Black Eyes, Fathers of Power. If you know anything about Adam, you know he's an author. And one of the books that he has written is titled Black Eyes, Fathers of Power. So let's see if he'll get it. Ready?
A flashpoint.
No.
Black female power.
Close.
Black Panther.
No. I'm winning while he's losing.
Black people will follow. No?
Close. Squishy. Last try.
Vacation flower.
No. He lost and I'm so happy.
That's a tough one.
Black Eyes, Fathers of Power.
Oh, that is so obscure. That
No, don't do that. You wrote a book by that title. You should have gotten it.
in fact, I did not write a book by that title. Just for the record's sake.
The Ancients.
The Ancients.
Alright, let me ask you this question.
No question
Let me
is
ask you.
relevant.
No. Let me ask you this question because the internet is going to think.
How could I? Whatever the internet will think will be accurate.
I do not know my husband.
How could I have guessed something that isn't
Alright.
in existence?
What was this book supposed to be called?
It doesn't matter.
Answer the question. What was this book supposed to be called?
Black Eyes Book 2. That's what it was supposed to be called.
What was this book supposed to be called, Adam? Be honest.
Yeah. That might have been the initial.
Okay, that's where I got it
title,
from.
But
the draft, obviously, I got it twisted. The draft title was Fathers of Power.
Alright.
I know my husband, internet. Alright, YouTube just.
Deliberate act of trickery.
No, come, my turn.
You are evil. You are evil. Evil. Yeah. Not you. Yeah, she's evil. You are evil. Okay? You are evil.
You are divine.
Ooh. Wow. So close, yet so far. You are evil. You are evil.
You are divine. No, no, no.
Again?
I take that back. Dame.
You are evil. You are
Evil? You are evil?
Ah, that's it.
Yes! Yeah!
That was easy. That was an easy one. That was easy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, your turn. Alright, this one, guys, is Hey YouTube.
I knew you.
No. Not I knew you.
I YouTube.
No.
I blew you.
I blew you. Careful what you say on the internet.
I yo-yo.
No. Last try.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
I said, hey YouTube.
Ah, YouTube. That was right. Hey?
Hey YouTube.
There was no hey
Yeah, of course there was.
movement.
I said,
That doesn't look like hey. It looks like oh. Oh.
this look like O. This is O. Oh YouTube. I said, hey YouTube.
Okay.
Alright, your turn.
Alright, this one is going to be tough. In reference to this pillow.
Emoji pillow.
No. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. It looks like Gengar. Yeah? It looks like Gengar. And for those of you who don't know what a Gengar is, first of all, really. Second of all, she might leave a picture or something. And she knows what Gengar is, I think. I hope so. Otherwise, this whole thing will have to be called into question. Okay, so it looks like Gengar. It looks
What are
like
you taking so long for?
Ready. It looks like Gengar.
What?
It looks like Gengar. What? It looks like Gengar.
It's going to get dark.
It's a good guess. Good guess. Come again. It looks like Gengar.
Oh, this is stopping.
It looks like Gengar.
Is outside dark?
No, it's not. It looks like Gengar.
Is there a window outside?
What? What's with all of these weather-based guesses? It looks like Gengar.
It is sunny and cloudy.
It looks like Gengar.
It looks like it's it looks like it's cloudy. One more time.
It looks like Gengar.
It looks like it's going to get dark.
That's as close as she might get. Yeah. It looks like Gengar.
Oh my god, Gengar!
But you know Gengar, you're holding something that looks like Gengar.
Oh crap.
You even guessed emoji pillow. There were so many hints.
Please.
Anyhow, it was tough. A tough one.
This one is Japan is super hot now. No. Well, I won't say no. I'm going to say Japan is super hot.
A big ball.
No.
Big ball. Jamal is cabbage.
Jamal is cabbage. What? No.
The white is tomorrow. Tomorrow?
Two more chance.
What? That's longer now. What's going on?
No, it's the same word.
Alright, come again.
You don't know?
Blank, blank, blank. Blank.
Japan is super hot.
Jamal, Japan. Super hot.
Alright, and second to last one for me.
Alright. Turn up the AC. Turn up the AC. Okay? Turn up the AC. Turn up the AC.
You are pathetic.
No, you're not. Turn up the AC. Turn up the AC.
Open your mouth.
Turn up the AC.
I want to play the N key.
No, no. You do not want to play the end key. Turn up the AC.
There are no but envy.
Turn up the AC. Turn up the AC.
The dog.
Turn up the AC.
Don't come up with the envy.
Turn up the AC.
I don't know. That's stupid. That's stupid.
Turn up the AC. Turn up the AC.
Oh, envy AC. Cool. I could never survive deaf. Oh my god. I couldn't survive being deaf.
Oh, death. So I said they couldn't survive death. Who could survive death?
Last one. Very, very easy. It is Sunday Funday. Well, today's Monday, but you know.
Have a good day.
I'm not hearing music.
I'm hearing music.
Oh.
Chalafala.
What the hell is Chalafala?
Dragon's father.
Oh. Sunday Funday.
Come again.
Sunday Funday.
What?
Sunday Funday.
Sunday Funday? Sunday Monday? Sunday Monday?
No. Sunday Funday.
Someday Funday?
Close, so close. Sunday Funday. Come on.
Someday Funday.
Not someday. Sunday Funday.
Sunday Monday.
You're so close. Sunday Funday.
Sunday Funday. That's it?
Yes.
I said Sunday Funday.
No, you said Sunday Funday. I know that.
So what is it?
Sunday Funday.
Oh.
Not Sunday Funday. No.
Oh no. Oh no. This can't do what we're doing. Really? Guys, really? Sunday Funday, no.
Guys.
Sunday Funday. That's
Guys, I said Sunday Funday.
That's
He
exactly
said
what I
Sunday Funday. That is not what I said. You have to get it right.
Wow.
Last one for me. Oh no, you no. Oh, me.
You. You guys better subscribe. You guys better subscribe. So I think this one is gonna be easy. There's so much you know, that B sound is gonna be easy to guess. Yeah. You guys better subscribe, okay? That's a lot of bilabial action. So it should be quite guessable. Alright. Ready? You guys better subscribe.
Do you like Smash Brothers?
No, that's not it. Yes, I do. You guys.
Wait, the music stop. Your sentences sound too long.
You guys better subscribe.
Do you like Smash Ramen?
You guys better subscribe. You guys better subscribe.
Do you like Smash?
You guys better subscribe.
I'm a stupid.
You guys better subscribe.
Do I?
You guys better subscribe.
I like Smash Ramen.
You guys better subscribe.
I like to play Scrabble.
You guys better subscribe.
Do you want some scrambled eggs?
You guys better subscribe.
Me don't know.
You guys better subscribe.
What?
I think that one was easy.
No, it was not.
That one was easy.
It was not easy. But you know what, guys? Like, I realized that when we are saying it to each other, we shouldn't have whispered. We should have talked out so that you guys can hear. But then again, you guys already knew the words before we started. But whatever, I hope that. So obviously, clearly, he won. Like, I could
Really?
not. Yeah, you won. Like, I only got
like
two.
what, 1 or 2?
No, you got everything right except for like 1 or 2, and I got everything wrong.
In editing,
Except for like
we'll check
1.
the scores.
Yeah, we'll check the scores while we edit. I hope this video was fun for you guys. If you did enjoy, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post the video. Until next time, bye guys.
Bye guys.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.